Good morning, everybody. Today's date is 17th of October 2024. It is Thursday. So let's take a look what we are looking coming into the open. So the first thing I'm watching here is that we have had this expansion during London session. So New York might be a little bit choppy. However, I'm gonna be more bearish than bullish because right now we have SMT at the highs. If you take a look on ES actually did take those highs. Let's take a look on 1 hour. ES took these highs, all these highs, and Q did not take those highs yet. We have SMT at the highs, and we left all these imbalances down here below us, so I'm expecting some sort of rebalance first, and then from there it can go higher. So with that being in mind, I'm gonna be more bearish than bullish. I need to see those rebalances first. The market's gonna open in 5 minutes. All these PD arrays, I want to see we move towards them, right? Yeah, that's overall the analysis coming into the open. All these sell side down here, sell side down here. So I'm expecting this to be a market maker sell model here. This to be potentially the buy side, and then something like that today. We sell. I'm going to be paying attention to all these. I'll take this off. All these PD areas such as 5-minute fair value gap. How are we gonna reverse, right? Because this one, for example, this 5-minute here, all this 5-minute actually, or if I take a look on 50-minute, we actually end up creating a 50-minute fair value gap here. So if I'm bearish, right, what I would like to see here is we inverse this 15-minute, right? We ran through it. I want to see this order block here, for example, gets disrespected. I don't want to see we come to this order block, use it as support and go higher. No, I want to see we disrespect this order block, we disrespect this 50-minute fair value gap here, if you're looking at bearish price action today. And then all of this will become low resistant liquidity run. If you disrespect these PD areas up here, everything here will be ran through very fast, very quick move towards the sell side down here. Oops, we'll see. Now, why I need to see these PD areas get inversed first of all? Because as for right now, we are still very bullish, right? We still, no matter how much I want to see we rebalance to all of these imbalances, the market cannot, it might just not rebalance, it might just keep running, right? So overall we are very bullish. We could just easily come and mitigate this PD array, and then from there start to make our way higher still, right? That's why taking any shorts here is dangerous. I mean, we can take shorts towards this PD area, but that's it. We cannot aim for anything like down here. So for down there, we would like to see this PD area gets disrespected first of all. Let's wait and see. The market's just gonna open in 2 minutes there. The market opens here. I'm gonna be watching this 5-minute here as well. This is the most important PD area here. because it aligns with the order block there as well. So if we disrespect this 5 minute and this order block potentially, right, that's a good bearish sign. We mitigated this 50 minute here. I'll take this 50 minutes from here. This 5 minutes is going to be the most important PD area to me. Now, how do I want to see we disrespect this 5 minute? First of all, we want to see candle body closure below this 5 minute, and also I want to see a body closure below the order block. See the body of this order block. I want to see another candle closure body below it. That would tell me that we are not respecting this order block here. Right now, it shows a good bearish sign. So that's good. My 5 minute potentially would be like this because I'm including this small volume imbalance there as well, from the top to the bottom, so something like that. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good bearish sign. Let's see. We just took all of this sell side down here. Is it just gonna dump, or is it just gonna give us some sort of opportunity here? Most probably it's just gonna dump. Look at that. Straight to TP. Okay, let's see if we will get any sort of rebalance here before taking this sell side. It looks so bearish, so weak that I don't think that we're gonna see any rebalance. Yeah. So see, now this order block is not important to me. This sell side is taken now. Let's zoom out. So this was the target overall, right? It is taken now. We mitigate this 1 hour fair value gap. We still looking for bearish price action, right? Since we have all this down here, but we'll see if we'll get any opportunity for that. It is so bearish. It is so weak. Let's take a look on ES. What is ES also took this sell side. Now we on a hunt for the other sell side liquidity. Again, we're not chasing price, right? If the price gives us opportunity, we'll take. So right now it just sold, like dropped. There's no way to be involved. There's not even a single fair value gap that got rebalanced. It just sold. So all the TPs are taken now. Everything that we aimed from the morning, they just got taken just like that. That's crazy. Let's see, this sell side is taken now. This PD array is mitigated now as well. Now another thing I'm watching here is we still could potentially come to this 15-minute here as well, which is not mitigated, which is at the discount of the range. If I look from this low to this high, this is also at the discount, so we'll see. Could be used a potential draw because we are super weak here. Do we have any sort of SMT at the lows? Yes, we do. We mitigated this PD array here on ES. I'll take this one off. As for right now, there's some sort of SMT like this from these lows, because these lows were taken on NQ already. So let's see if this SMT will take us somewhere or not. Again, at this point, there's nothing I really can do, right? First of all, my drawn liquidity was already taken just with this drop, so all I can do is wait here patiently, because at this point we have SMT at the lows that can take us all the way up here, maybe towards the buy sell liquidity. However, I think that we're still bearish. I mean, we actually rebalanced to the discount of this range. If you take a look from this low to this high, we did rebalance, right? We did come to the discount. We did rebalance to this 1 hour fair value gap here. So there's actually no need to come lower unless it shows me it wants to. So in the morning I was more like confident about bearish price action, right? We got that, and right now it can be two-sided. That's what I'm trying to say. At this point it can be two-sided, since we have it SMT at the lows now. Gotta be careful. Now we do have this 5-minute. This 5-minute most probably gonna just come retrace to that 5-minute and still go lower. That's what I'm assuming here. The same here on ES. Got this 5-minute up here that we can potentially retrace to. That tells me that this is a potential target for the future. So since it's on 5-minute time frame, it's very close. We see we will drop and then we can come, or if we just retrace means that we retrace and then drop maybe. There are so many options here right now, so I'm not even going to guess. I'm just gonna wait. See, on ES we are holding this 1 minute. Pay attention how we created another 5-minute small one here. So we could easily tap this one and then drop. Let's take a look on, yeah, the same one, yes. Have this one. Patience, patience, patience. Nothing is clean here. There's no clean bias. The market can be two directional at this point. There's no clean structure. So just wait. Did we mitigate it or create it? I don't think we tapped it yet. Haven't tapped that 5-minute yet. Okay, we mitigated this 5-minute. Could easily drop here if we fail to go higher to that one. See, there's a small SMT at the highs. At the highs. So there's a small SMT which could take us lower, actually. I don't think so, because it's not that beautiful. Like, it doesn't look beautiful, so I don't think it's gonna do something. Okay, we mitigated this 5-minute now, so this one is not important to me no more. We did come and mitigate this 5-minute. There's so much room to go inside of this 5-minute, right? We could just tap it and then sell off. We could just come any point here and then sell off. We could just come and reverse. So what does it mean? That means that nothing is clear here. So there's nothing is clear. There are multiple scenarios that can happen. ES failed to even retrace to this lower 5-minute here. Okay, the macro is gonna open up here in 1 minute. What is a potential? Still not easy. Difficult. Let's see from... We could come to the OTE, to the middle point of this 5-minute and then sell off as well. Again, I'm not trying to... I'm not gonna predict. I'm just gonna see what the market's gonna show me. The best thing about day trading is that you don't have to do anything, right? If there's no setup, you don't have, nobody's asking you to take a trade. So if there's nothing is clean, you just wait. That's the most important part and the most difficult part about this. Now pay attention how we opened up a 5-minute fair value gap here. Actually there's a volume imbalance there, but something like this. Now preferably this 5-minute that I'm paying attention to should be something like this. I'm gonna include the volume imbalance there as well. I'll take this one off the charts. Not that important to me no more. Let's see what does it wants to do. It's gonna inverse this 5-minute or what? Came all the way to this order block. Okay, tap the order block. Looks very bearish. What I'm paying attention to here is how we gonna close. Are we gonna inverse this 5-minute we just opened, or are we going to hold it? And this was just a manipulation, because right now these lows were both taken. These lows were taken, small SMT, but now we could easily hold this 1 minute and then sell off. It just, if I take it from this 1 minute, my stop loss gotta be kind of big. I don't want to put like 150, 37 points. I don't want to put a stop loss 37 points. So I'm still waiting here. Pay attention how on ES this is still holding this 1 minute. This 5-minute is trying to hold as well here. Hasn't been inversed yet. I'll take this SMT everything off from here, now important to me no more. We are inversing this 5-minute. We hold that that 1 minute, so we'll see if we can get any sort of entry on 30 seconds. We have a small SMT at the highs as well. So if we can retrace maybe to this 30 seconds, there could be a potential short here. Oops. Still waiting.
Order filled.
Gonna sell here. Stop is going to be see how we're gonna be here. Potentially I'm gonna be targeting this sell side down here. Now as soon as we take this sell side down here, I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. Again, we had that SMT, right? We hold that 1 minute, inverse that 5 minute as well. So at this point, I think I can put my stop loss to break even. And I'm gonna be aiming for this low and potentially target lower to this 15 minute down here. So that's
Order
it.
filled.
Beautiful trade in my opinion. Now what was the reason? Again, in the morning we had this huge sell-off, right? Let's take, we had SMT, we sold, we had that sell-off, we created this 5 minute that would retrace to this 5 minute, then we hold that. We had another 5 minute here where that we inversed, so we said that if we inverse this one, we're just gonna drop. So we inverse this one, we come back to that 1 minute, hold that 1 minute, sell back off again. I go to 30 seconds, I find that I have an SMT at the highs, a small SMT, but it's gonna play out. Target is this sell side down here and this PD area that was not mitigated. So about what it was like, around 60 points, more than 62 points. So beautiful trade. And here is that executions as well. So that's it. We come into the market, see what the market gives us, we take it and we run. Peace out, and I will see you next time.